Welcome to ISLE exhibition. I'm Doris from Absen. Today, I will show you around Absen booth. In ISLE exhibition, there are over 1,000 exhibitors and more than 17,000 visitors. It's a good time for you to have a look of the system integrators and also LED display suppliers. So right now, let's have a look about Absen booth. Welcome. Hello everyone, welcome to ISLE exhibition in Shenzhen. Right now I'm standing in Absen booth. So today I will show you around Absen booth here. Meanwhile, I also invited several of our sales team to give you some introduction about our product. So today, our booth, we separate for different segments. So the first segment would be the rental product, which is NT 2.6. So let's go. Hello, JC. Hello. Morning.
Morning.
So you were responsible for introduction about the NT 2.6, right? So which market you from?
I'm from Absen Asia 2 market and taking care of both India and the Indonesia market.
Oh, yeah. Great. Mm-hmm. So give some information about NT 2.6, okay?
Sure, thank you. Okay,
thank you.
It is Jessie from Absen Asia 2 market, and it's my great honor to introduce you Absen NT series. Absen NT series positioned at the middle end rental application scenario, mainly serve for the international concert, conference, roadshow, motor show, and etc. So as you can see, the visual performance is super fantastic here. Now this product model supports P2.6, P2.9, and P3.9 for outdoor. And the whole series, we support 3840 high refresh rate. And also for this indoor model, 2.6 we are presenting today, support 1000 net brightness. For outdoor series, we support 4000 net brightness. Let's have a look at the design detail here. As you can see here, the panel design is the classic rental model, 500 by 500, and we also support the longer panel, which is 500 by 1000. And also, this model is featuring the fast installation. As you can see, there's one here, and also the second one is support the very fast installation by the auto lock. And also here and here is support like the curve lock, concurve and convex from -7.5 to 10 degrees. And we all know that the power supply is the heart of rental product model. So for this special design, it's enable you to do the very fast maintenance during the event. What you need to do is just unlock here 2 locks, and we can dismantle this power box within 5 seconds. For more information, please stop by our booth. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Jessie. It's great information about this NT 2.6. So if you want to know any more information, please come to Absen booth. Thank you. Okay, so let's go to the next part, which is the virtual studio. So firstly, you can see here we have some displays and also cameras here. So let's have a look here. This is the display which shows the virtual studio. So, hi, Justin.
Hey, good morning, Doris.
Morning.
Morning.
So today you will give us some information about the virtual studio.
Yep.
Products, right? Oh.
Yep. Yeah. So right now we're in Mars, I believe.
Okay. So what products we're using here?
Yeah. So let me give you a brief introduction about this XR.
So I will leave it to Justin. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Good morning, everyone, and it's my great honor to present you our XR stage set here. So this year we worked with our eco-partner together and integrated the LED system, media server, camera, and lighting and checking system together. So for media server, we have Hiku's and Sony 2580 camera and the Raspberry checking system. For lighting, we use Aperture as the main LED lighting system, and for LED system, we combined with 2 sets of 8x7 panel LED wall and one 8x8 panel floor LED. Actually, we do have a demo panel here. So Doris, do you want take a look?
Yes, in fact, I heard that our virtual studio products are very similar to our rental product, but it's a little bit different. So I want to know by the structure part, what's the difference?
Yeah, we do have a demo here, and I can show you. So this is a PR 2.5 panel we use in this XR stage, and it's specially designed for both virtual production and high-end rental. So for virtual production side, it comes with a brilliant optic parameters. For example, the 60-bit grayscale and 1500 nit brightness with the 80 hertz refresh rate. It provides a very good realistic image for virtual shooting. And mechanical wise, PL series is a very thoughtful product. As you can see, it's a modular design product with indoor 1.9, 2.5, 2.9, 3.9, and outdoor 3.9, 4.8 in the same platform. All those solutions share the same hanging bar and ground stacking system. And self-contained curve latches are available to support any increment of curve from 7.5 convex to 10-degree concave. And it's a modular design product with all modules identical, and also it allows people to serve the panel from both rear side and front side. And also you can see we do have a edge protection here to protect the nodes in the top line and the bottom line. And with a magnetic design, people can install the panel by one person easily.
So just like this, right?
Yep. And you can see it's the weight is very light, and Doris, you can carry it by yourself, right?
Yeah.
And PL series is one of the most popular products in the market, and is verified by the market already. The sales volume reaches over 1 billion since it's released. Yeah. And for the floor solution, we do have our MR 2.5 here. So this is the thinnest LED solution in the market. You can see the height for this system is within 4 inches. So people don't have to worry about a long ramp for safety consideration. And also the dark and non-reflective mask are shared to help get a more realistic image in virtual shooting. And for this product, it is a 100% front service solution. You can remove the module, hub, power spine from the front directly. And as a leading manufacturer in this industry, we devoted ourselves to developing user-friendly solution. So if you have any need in direct view LED, feel free to reach out to your Absen contacts. We'll be more than happy to support you together.
Thank you, Justin.
Yep.
It's fantastic information about the virtual studio. Thank you. So that's all about the virtual studio part of this region. So if you have any questions or if you want to know any information about virtual production products, please come to Absen booth. We have our sales team to reserve you. Okay. So next part should be our meeting room part. So follow me. Okay. Hello, JC. Another JC. Hello, JC. So for Absen meeting room solution, I heard that we have several series of icon products, right? So today, can you give us some information about Absen icon products?
Yeah, of course. Hello, Jessie again. It's my honor to introduce you Absen conference solution. As we all know that LED display is playing a more and more important role in the conference solution. So today we are presenting this series Absen Icon series. It is C138 inches, and it completely supports 16:9 ratio. The LED wall we are presenting today supports 1080p resolution. So to replace the traditional LCD or projector, now LED wall we support the high brightness and also high contrast ratio, high grayscale. This one we can support 350 nit brightness, which means you don't need to create the very dark or the brightness is not strong in the meeting environment. And also this product we support very user friendly during the operation. It's like we certified by the anti-blue-ray certification. So which means during the long-time meeting application scenario, humans' eyes won't get so tired. Yeah, and also it's worthy to mention that Absen Icon series feature an all-in-one solution, which means we integrated the sending box, the power supply, and also speaker into this one unit. You don't need to do a very complicated cabling on site, just open your door and welcome Absen Icon. And another amazing point is that it supports very easy operation. It's support dual system, Android and also Windows 10. And during your meeting, all the attendees is welcome to share their content over different terminal laptop, iPad, and iPhone. For more information, please come to Absen booth. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Jessie, again. Okay, thank you. So that's all about Absen Icon. Absen Icon, we have 3 different series and 8 different sizes, so it can meet in your demands and more. Okay, so we can go to the next part, which is also very popular right now in the LED display part, which is 3D video content. Okay, follow me. Excuse me. Thank you. Okay, so on the top of this wall is 3D content. So hello, Bob.
Good morning.
Morning. Hello.
Hello.
So which market are you responsible for?
I'm going to introduce our Absen Naked Eye 3D technology solution. Well, okay. As we all know, the CG glasses-free technology is an emerging technology compared with the traditional technology. The most different things is that we doesn't need to wear glasses or use the other equipment to achieve the 3D effect. So compared with the other solutions outside, Absen Naked Eye 3D solution have the advantages as follow. Firstly, the video quality is high enough to achieve the film level, and you doesn't wear glasses, it will make you feel more comfortable and natural. Secondly, Absen can provide 2 options for the customization video and the standardization video. Compared with the so expensive fares for the customization video outside, Absen have the extremely price advantage, for we can support the free adoption of the customer's display screens without extra cost. Well, at last, Absen can provide the AXS professional post controller and to achieve the high definition point-to-point display, and it can also support to decorate the HDR 10 bits video and the super large video. In short, Absen can provide a complete set of the solution with the equipment about LED displayer and the 3D video source and the broadcast controller. Users only need to upload the video on our broadcast controller and then connect with our LED displayer. You can easily realize the 3D effect. So in short, Absen Naked Eye 3D technology can support the customers with a very convenient one-stop service, and we focus on this technology for a really long time. We will bring you a really realistic and fantastic experience. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. you, Bob. It's great information about Absen have the 3D content information.
Yes.
Okay, so so if you want any 3D video content, so that for you. Okay, so then we will move to the next part, which is also the main screen of our show in ISLE, which is our COB product. So as you may know that Absen already invested over 66 million US dollars on the COB workshop, which is quite few in China LED display industry. So today it's another Jessie will give us some information about the COB product. So Jessie, I saw that this screen is very big. So what's the size of this or what the resolution of this screen?
Yes, the center screen here is our CLV2 series 1.2 and the resolution is 24K.
Wow, great.
Yeah.
So it looks fantastic because it's quite black and
Yes.
it's pure black and the uniformity is very good. So can you give us some information about this screen?
Sure.
Okay, thank you.
Actually, today I'd like to introduce 3 of Absen latest micro and mini LED display series to you. The center screen here is our CLV2 series 1.2, and the right side is our KLCOB series. The left side is our HC Pro series. Let's move closer to see more details of the CLV2. Okay, CLV2 has multiple pixel pitches, 0.7, 0.9, and 1.2. In fact, it is the second generation of Clear Cobalt series. After the first generation released, it has received a lot of praise from worldwide clients. And based on clients' demands and advices, the second generation released. As you can see, the screen is ultimately black. Because the magic is it adopts Absen black coating technology. With this technology, the CLV2 has not only gained the non-reflective surface, but also produces vivid color for true-to-nature images. And besides the ultra black, another stunning visual effect is the highlights. The brightness is up to 1200 nits after calibration, so it is also a perfect choice for HDR10 effect. And what's more, the contrast ratio is up to 20,000 to 1, so it can clearly show the details of dark and light colors. And as to the flatness of this screen, as you can see, it's perfect flatness because we have 2 special designs. The first design is we have inner panel connector, so which can help a lot during the installation for module positioning. And the second design is one cabinet consists of 2 big modules, and each module consists of 6 small blocks. So by this design, the flatness can be well controlled during the installation. Also, another highlight is CLV2 adopts Absen quadruple energy saving technology. By this technology, the power consumption per panel is as low as 3.6 watts. And also the maintenance is completely front access. Now let's take a look at the KLCOB series. KLB series is also a very professional COB series. The pixel pitch is from 0.9, 1.2, 1.5, and 1.8. KLCOB is one of our thinnest and lightest series. The weight per panel is 4.6 kilograms, and the depth is only 38.9 millimeters. So it also helps to save some time during the installation. Also, as you may have a doubt, like what's the difference between KLCOB and CLV2?
Yeah, I also want to know because it looks quite similar, just a different pixel pitch. So what's the difference between these 2 products?
Pixel pitch is just 1 point, and from the outlook, the dimension, first the cabinet dimension is different, a little different. The CLV2 is 27.5 inch and the KLCOB is 27 inch. So you can choose the pixel pitch and screen size to fit your application requirements. Another thing is the product position. The CLV2 is our high-end COB product, flagship COB, and the KLCOB compared with the CLV2 is more cost-effective. And back to the brightness, KLCOB is 600 nits and the COV2 is 1200 nits. So you can choose the product based on your project requirements.
Okay, thank you, Jessie. And I see that you also have a screen their side. So it's also COB?
It is IMD actually.
IMD. So what's the difference? What's COB and IMD? What's the
good question.
Yeah.
COB actually, the COB we mentioned is flip chip COB. Flip chip COB is the most advanced technology in LED industry, and with the flip chip COB, we are able to change the electrical connection of the green, red, and blue in a single lamp. So it provides the high contrast ratio, high brightness, high stability, and the lower power consumption. And as the IMD you can also call it 4-in-1 device because there are 4 individual lamps in one device. So compared with SMD, it has a stronger structure. Let's move closer to see the HC Pro series. Black area is bigger. Okay, talking about the HC series, actually HC series we got 2 versions. First version is IMD technology with the pixel pitch of 0.7, 0.9, and 1.2. Second version is SMD version with the pixel pitch of 1.2 and 1.5. Move closer. And the HC Pro series adapt Absen HBB technology. With this technology, the visual performance improves a lot by the brighter white and the deeper black. Okay, that's all information of our 3 series for control room solution, and we also have other fine pixel pitch products for you to choose. Contact your assigned rep to get more information. Thanks for your watching. See you.
Thank you, Jessie. It's great information about COB product. And if you want to know more information, not just come to our booth, but come to our factory because we have a COB workshop for you to look. And meanwhile, for like this COB product, we also have to OEM for many different big clients. Okay, so welcome. And so we will move to next part, which is also the last our destination, final destination of our show this time, which is Absen CP product. Okay, let's have a look. So Absen CP product is ranking as the distribution product. Hello, Bob, you again?
Yes.
So can you give us some information about what's the advantage and the hot selling points about Absen CP product?
Yes, no problem. Hello, everyone. This is our CP 1.2. Well, Absen CP is not just a product, it's a solution for the on-site assembly LED market. You can see it with a unique product designer and a wonderful color display. Absen CP have 6 core competency. Firstly, 1.8, 1.2 pixel pitch have adopted the NOR support of the whole cabinet. As an integrated product, the power supplier and the receiving card of it is use the same brands. So it will make sure the quality can be guaranteed. Well, the cabinet is pre-installed without any other secondary assembly, so we deliver it to our customers directly. Secondly, Absen CP can be used in a variety of applications on the world of the commercial display, such as the chain store or the retail store on the supermarket, or the lobby and the showing room of the company. Thirdly, Absen CP restores the really true colors. For our refresh rate can reach 3840 Hz, and there is no scanning line when you're taking photos. Well, it can also support the lower brightness and high gray display. What's more, the cabinet can be cut in the size of 320 by 320 millimeters, which can splice with our standard cabinet on the size of 320 by 480 millimeters, which means that we can achieve the adjustment on the module level. Well, our magnetic installation solution can simplify the traditional installation. It means that you can operate very easily and build a large screen very quickly. And last, the most important things is that the whole cabinet of Absen CP have China compulsory certification. It's really important. Of course, the cable is clean and tidy, and it will avoid so many safety problems such as short circuit. You know, such a problem will always happen on the on-site assembly LD market. It's really dangerous. So please kindly recognize the China compulsory certification, like our Absen CP. So Absen CP as a channel product, we solved so many pinpoint of the traditional channel, from the spec of the brand authorization, price systems, and the channel incentive, and etc. By innovating our business model, we truly shared our development profit with our channel partners. So Absen CP is not only limited to transaction. We need more channel partners as well. So warmly welcome you to join our CP series family. Thank you.
Thank you, Bob. It's really nice product in the market because it really can replace the module market, right?
Yes.
And also cost-effective product for us to use. Okay, thank you, Bob. So that's the last part of our booth. But before the ending, I would also like to introduce about the Absen Green program to you. In fact, Absen Green program starts from 2 years ago. For this part, Absen already have done a lot of things, and we are still on the way. We separate for different aspects. First part is regarding to product, which also you may be quite interested on what product we have done for Absen Green. So two aspects. One aspect is energy saving. Absen has used a lot of technology to decrease the power consumption of our products. So like the A series and the A27 series, different series, we use different technology like common cathode technology, also different power consumption, power supply change, so different design to decrease the power consumption. This is one aspect. Another aspect is regarding to the materials we use, which will decrease the carbon emission part. So that's for the product part. And for the factory part, we start since 2016, we start to use a solar panel. And in Absen's second phase of factory, we invested more power solar panel in our factory, which can generate around 15% electric use in Absen factory. Then the last part is regarding to social responsibility. Absen have invested, Absen already donated over 286 trees in China. And in 2023, we will invest more. We will donate more trees in China. And we will do more things, not just about this. We are on the way. So that's all about regarding to Absen Green. And if you want to know more detailed information, then come to our booth. We will explain more information to you. So thank you for your watching. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.